Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Now today I'm back with the zebronics jukebar 9520 review of sound test. I will test this thoroughly for the sound quality of Dolby audio, and now I show you how I have connected all the speakers together. So this is my VU TV, 55-inch premium TV. As I show, it supports Dolby audio. You can see, and this is Zugbar Dolby audio branding display, and here is Zebronic. It is resting on the clamps which was provided by the company in the box. So, and here is the subwoofer, and this is my cat Luna. To protect this subwoofer, I have put this towel on top of it because my cat used to scratch it with their knuckle. So, and the wireless speaker are just back. You can see both speakers. I give you a closer look. This is surround left and this is surround right. Looking beautiful, and the clamp which was provided is with a key here to rotate the speaker. So I have rotated both the speaker to 45-degree, and if you see from behind, I usually sit here on this chair. These two speakers are behind my back, and TV and soundbar is just in front of me. So I have already downloaded few videos of 5.1 in my pen drive. So without further to do, let's start it. And you can see the soundbar is working well with the TV's HDMI ARC cable. I can control the volume by TV remote. You can see it is increasing. I will recommend you to put surround speaker to maximum. You can see S is on 5. Subwoofer is, I put it on 2, and center channel 2+2. This is the best, and mode is movie. And here is Dolby speaker test. Every speaker will testing on this video.
Left channel.
Left channel is ringing.
Center channel.
Now sound is coming from center channel.
Right channel.
Sound is coming from right channel now.
Right surround channel.
Right surround is now speaking.
Left surround channel.
Now sound is routing from left surround. And this is bass.
Left. Center. Right. Right surround. Left surround.
One thing I forget to mention to all you guys is whenever you play a Dolby content on your Dolby enabled TV, soundbar just detect it and it shows on the LED bar that is you are seeing in the front. Just look, I play this video again. Look, Dolby audio, it detects and show you that Dolby content is playing. Now we check another clip. Now this train is coming from all over the room. This feel is coming from behind my back. Dolby waterfall. These droplet sound is coming behind my back. So audio is revolving all over my room and very good surround sound experience. So now let's go to YouTube and play some Dolby enable video. And I want to mention one more thing, guys. I seen in the comment box lots of people claim that YouTube doesn't support Dolby audio, and it is very untrue because I am going to show you that Dolby audio is supported by YouTube, and you can see why I'm saying this. This is a Dolby enable video and I show you.
ब्यूटीफुल
नजर लगा रहे हो
भाई नजर अटक गई इतनी बड़ी टाइल्स
इतनी बड़ी बड़ी हिट्स आप लोगों ने मुझे दी
Now, as I can show
Left
you,
channel.
just see here,
Center channel.
5.1 surround sound on YouTube. It supports.
Right channel.
Now birds are speaking from all around my room.
Right surround channel.
Wonderful surround
Left
experience.
surround channel.
Birds just fly away from the behind. So now guys, another Dolby clip I am playing from YouTube, and you can see this is very nice mixing of sound, and it supports Dolby audio. You can see here again clearly 5.1 surround. A bird is flying behind my ears. Thunder crossing my ear behind my back. Now I show you my PlayStation play, and you will get the idea of gaming also. So my favorite game for this sound system is Resident Evil 4, and I always wanted to play this game with 5.1 surround system, but I didn't have, and now I really hope that I should have played this game on this system, because I played earlier a day before, and it was really a great experience. It given me a goosebump, a very jump scare moment somewhere, because the monsters were falling from me behind, the footsteps and the cry I heard. It is really very good. And I'm sure this volume that you are getting on your mobile phone, it is not doing justice to the system and the sound that I am hearing. but you can get the idea and you can count on me. That is, the surround effect of the system is wonderful. That's exactly what I wanted. Let's see what PlayStation can do with this system. You hearing this little sound that somebody is crying? It is coming from behind. This crow is flying. It just gone from center channel to left, then behind. And the sound of air passing when I rotate my character, it is going from speaker to speaker. Now this sound is coming from front of the speakers. Now when I rotate, it just gone back. It is coming from the back. Again from the front. Really for gamers it is must have system. Somebody is crying from far. I don't know where.
¡Un forastero!
Here he comes. Very good bass and volume of a gunshot also. If you play in dark, it is really going to give you a goosebump and scare you off. I'm sure. God, my leg is stuck. Somebody is in here also. Okay, guys. This is all what I can offer you right now. I cannot play music or play OTT because it is a copyright strike on my channel once I have did that. So sorry for that, but I have experience of that and I can give you a feedback. Just enter the rest mode. And so what I thought initial of this soundbar. So I give you the pros and then I will give you the cons. So few more thing I have to mention about some thoughtful thing that Zebronic has already done. So plus point is the surround effect of this speaker. It is very clear from right, center, left you can differentiate, and the back sound also very quite loud. You can get the job done. And one very thoughtful thing that Zebronic did is there is a button behind below this speaker. You can just tap it and this speaker becomes surround light, and then you push it, it will become surround left. So you can put it like you where you are comfortable doing that. Now the cons are the bass is not very good. I have previously speaker of eyeball. The booming bass were there, but when you are increasing the sound, it's just uncomfortable, I can say. Not a booming bass. But overall, I can say you can go and buy this speaker. It is very good. It will fulfill your need of watching movies and playing game. But for music lover, if you are going to play MP3, I recommend you can go and buy 2.1 speaker. It will be far better for your needs. So please like and comment and subscribe and ask any question regarding this soundbar. I will try to answer you. Thank you.